Hello YouTube friends. Today I'm going to talk to you about how you save hundreds of dollars on kitchen remodel, and it all comes down to making wise, smart choices with hardware and the purchase at the big box stores. When you go to make your purchase at the big box store, most of them will offer you a 10% discount somewhere. Do a little research, find that 10%. If you're going to spend $2,000, that's $200 savings right there. So that's just on cabinets. That's not including countertop. If you and do it all at once, get the full discount. So if it's $5,000, you're saving $500. But to save other places more than that, eBay or Amazon is a great choice. This little guy right here, I bought at a big box store. It was $2 for the handle. I believe I found this on Amazon. We'll open it up together. I was going by pictures, so hopefully it's a match, but I'm doing a garage cabinets here, so won't really matter too much if it's not a perfect match. And looking at the start, I can pretty much tell you it's not a perfect match. Definitely bigger, finish is different. But I'd say the style is relatively the same, which is no big problem. Like I say, it is going in the garage. But the beauty of this is this whole box of 25 was $1.20 each. And those sure do look high end. I've got ones in my kitchen I bought off of eBay. They were $1.10 each. And they were super high end too on the look. Now, the finish may not be the best. It may be the only downfall. And when I mean the finish, I mean more like the fit. I had ones in the kitchen. Some of the threaded holes weren't that great. So, but I saved $3 per handle, and most kitchens on average are anywhere to 40 handles plus. So 40 times 3 is an easy $120 in your pocket, and that's just for handles. So let's do a little more unboxing here. It does come with the screws. They were padded real well inside. Surprised they even went to that length. Most people don't. I've never seen any handles so do a little opening here. My cabinets here below are mix match, but they are garage, so it doesn't have to be perfect. And when they're really cheap, you don't complain. I'll show you my easiest tips and tricks to installing this. I'll get all these handles opened up, and I'll show you the little jig. You can buy something similar at the store. This one I've made myself and used countless times. Let me get this all opened up and we'll show you this in action. Alrighty, now we have them opened up. Show you the little template here. This would go against the cabinet. And I'll choose which set of holes I want to go with and how far in I want them. Now they sell these in the store for about $15, but it has a lot of holes, so it's easier to screw up. And this was all the cabinet projects. Let's see if we can shine. I'll put it over the green. The holes should show up better. Those holes are the ones that we drilled for the different projects we've done here at my house. So let me choose which one we're going to do, and I'll show you it in action. Alright, so what I have to do first here is put a handle on and find a hole that my setup will match. And none of them are correct. So I'm going to take this hole here I like. Take my tape measure here. And that's sitting just over 1.25 inches in. So that'll be sitting 1.25 inches in there. Let's see what we got above. That'll sit a little farther than those. Again, this is a garage, so not so bad. Things can be a little mismatched. Got to get me a magic marker. Draw this line. And again, you can buy this clear plexiglass for $2. Sometimes find it from a friend or something. It's got it laying around. Real cheap way of doing it. Now, technically, that would be my handle. And I like the offset from the top. To me, that's fine. Let's go ahead and do it for real. you want, you can dot your cabinet, or you can just hold this in place and drill it by hand. There's a little black line on here I think I'm going to follow, and that'll put me at the top. But I will clamp it into place. It's always smart to start one handle in and get the other so you have that little bit of play. Where'd the bit fall? Oh, there it is. Didn't follow my own rules here. I didn't tighten that one all the way up. Guess we need to do that, make it look proper. Getting close here. To me it looks pretty close. That's why you use the jig. I'll go ahead and complete the rest of these and spare you the boring part of the details. Well, this is about where it's going to stop. Ran out of the longer screws for drawers. Thought I had a whole pack that would do it, but I don't. I'll show you why. That's the screw it comes with. It doesn't even come through the face. That's why you need longer screws. Or my other option is to drill out the back. You notice, let's do it here. That only goes through that part. It doesn't go through that other 1/2 inch of wood. So we'll get her all finished up on another day, but that's how it sits for now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more informational projects and bits and tips I get into that most people do not. Give me a thumbs up if you like what I've accomplished.